My name is Teronica Crosby. I am the general manager with Great Clips Waco, Austin. I've been with Great Clips 14 years. I worked with Lou last year. We did a class last year with some of the managers and a few stylists, a 1 day. This time we did a 2 day, so we got a little more experience, and it was real fun. Lou the barber was off the chain. He's very, he gave us a lot of learning tools that we can take back to the salons to, work with our customers. He really just told us the different steps with the guards, different guards, and how to use them to get that cut that the customers deserve. Instead of taking a lot of time, he showed us less time to do it. As a general manager with Great Clips and working with Lou with Barber Boot Camp has taught us the different concepts of the different clippers, the wall clippers versus the oyster clippers with the blades, different techniques. This was very helpful. I will refer Lou the barber to different franchisees.